Hello friends, வணக்கம். நாம் இப்போ worksheet 22 economic biology பார்க்கலாம். Choose the correct answer. After completion of class 12, Ramu wishes to choose his career in studying of individual trees, shrubs, vine and other perennial woody plants. Which branch of study will you suggest? Horticulture. Unfertilized eggs of honey bee develops into drones. NDDB stands for National Dairy Development Board. Which among the cattle breed gives A2 milk? Jersey. Which of the following microorganisms help in nitrogen fixation? Azospirillum, Rhizobium, Mycorrhiza, Nostoc. All the four are involved in helping nitrogen fixation. A farmer was worried about the poor yield from his paddy crops for last two harvests. When he discussed with his neighborhood farmer, he suggested the farmer to plant a crop that improves the soil fertility. Which one would be his suggestion? Groundnut, because it is a leguminous plant. Filling the blanks, Government of Tamil Nadu has launched Ulavan mobile application for the betterment of farmers. Do you know the meaning? Hortus garden, colore cultivate, pomum fruit, logi means to study. Observe the example and complete the rest. Blue Revolution, Dr. Hiralal Chaudhary. Green Revolution, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. White Revolution, Dr. Verghese Kurian. Meenu is suffering from malaria. What drug will you suggest? Quinine. The secondary metabolites, terpenoids in Nilavembu is used in the preparation of drug. Write true or false. If false, give reason. Azolla is a nitrogen fixing bacteria. The statement is false because Azolla is a nitrogen fixing free floating aquatic fern. Flowers can reduce stress and anxiety. This statement is also true because some of the flowers like jasmine, lavender are used to reduce stress and anxiety. Compost is produced by decomposition of inorganic waste. The statement is false because compost is produced by decomposition of organic waste. Phytochemistry is the study which deals with chemical substance derived from various parts of the animals. The statement is false because it is derived from various parts of plants. The following medicinal plant with its medicinal value: Nitya Kalyani, leukemia and cancer; Sarpagandha, blood pressure; Vetpalai, psoriasis; Chincona, malaria and pneumonia; Nilavembu, diabetes and chikungunya. Very short answer. Sita wants to construct a vermicompost bin. Draw a bin and help her to arrange the layers in correct sequence. Chopped organic waste, bedding material, gunny bag, soil, warm bedding, earthworm. Bedding material, soil, warm bedding and earthworm. Chopped organic waste, gunny bags. Why are black and yellow colored stripes present on the body of honey bee? Because they serve as a warning to predators, help them to safeguard from their enemies. During COVID-19, our Tamil Nadu government provides Kabasura Kudineer to develop immunity. Apart from that, what are the other medicinal plants that you can use to boost your immunity? Garlic, ginger, neem, tulsi, turmeric, moringa, ashwagandha, etc. Complete the given queen bee's diagram. Why queen bee's abdomen elongated? Complete this queen bee's diagram. Queen bee's abdomen is elongated because sperm is collected and stored during mating period. Ovaries occupy more space. Short answers. Assign the task. Some tasks are listed below. Assign it to the respective organisms. Earthworm. Production of compost alter the physical properties of the soil. Worker bee maintain temperature of the beehive, collecting pollen and nectar, feeding the brood. Rhizomium converts nitrogen into ammonia, and it also helps in nitrogen fixation. Drone, fertilized egg, and then mating. It is essential to cover vermicompost bin with gunny bags or coconut leaves after filling it to ensure darkness. What the reason to do so? To conserve moisture, to provide darkness, to keep out pests from the vermicompost bin. Rajesh and Nikhil's mother are discussing the gaining popularity of organic foods. List a few benefits in buying organic food products. Highly nutritious, better taste, environmental safety, poison free, and it also improves our immune system. In school, Joshika and her classmates have collected some worm to feed their vermicompost bin. Help them in identifying the correct feed for the worms. Give explanation for not choosing other materials as feed. Worms feed on grass, fruit peel, tea bags, cardboard, wood chips, newspaper, tissue paper, napkins, bread and eggshells, whereas worms does not feed on polythene cover, egg yolk, dairy products, spoiled milk, meat, curd, etc. Name any three distinct physical features of honeybee given below. Queen bee, worker bee, and drone bee are given. Queen bee laying eggs formed from fertile eggs, fertile female of the colony. Drone bee developed from unfertilized egg, fertile the eggs, fertile male. Worker bee collect honey, maintain the temperature of the beehive, and they are sterile female bees. During summer vacation, Rohit went to his village. His grandparents were owning a honey farm. Rohit asked a few questions to his grandparents for his clarification. Reflect on the questions given below and what could be your reply for those questions. Does honey bee store the nectar collected from flowers as such in its hive? No. If not, what is the process that takes place? Before storing, they pass nectar by mouth to multiple bees. During this process, new enzymes are added and nectar is converted into honey. If there is no honey bee in our environment, what would be the consequence? Food chain and food web will be affected, cause great impact on ecosystem. In what way honey is beneficial to us? Given graph depicts the quantum of milk yield among indigenous breed and exotic breed under three environmental conditions. Observe, analyze and answer the following questions. Observe this chart and give answer for the following questions. How much milk in liters does exotic breed yield in moderate condition? 2000 liters of milk. What is the difference in liters in milk production between indigenous and exotic breeds under good environmental condition? 1800 liters of milk. Why is there a difference in the milk yield of exotic breed under good and bad environmental conditions? Because they are unable to cope up with the Indian climate. In all the three different environmental conditions, indigenous breed yield almost same quantity of milk. Why? Because they are well adapted to local conditions like thermal environment, feed, diseases and parasites, etc.